And then, after a sip of tea, put the cup on the table. The books in my room were calling for me. Neithzche and Sartre were waiting for me. I shouldn't have to take my breakfast today, I felt. Dear, you're mobile. When she reminded, I went back towards the table. I often left my mobile phone elsewhere. It happens to me again and again. Sometimes on bed, on sofa, on table. It lacks the pictures of film stars or other girls. There are not porn pictures and hardcore movies in it. It is without any password and lock pattern. Anyone can open and use it. It was not the first time. My wife has used it many times before. And every time she asks, "Dear, why do you search it on Google now and then?" Poets who've committed suicide. In this situation, pan and curve become meaningless. I don't have answers for questions. I took up my mobile and went to the room silently. There were voices coming out from my room. Neithzche and Sartre were calling for me.